Hello and welcome to our viewers on ASI News broadcast, bringing you the latest top news for today. Joe Biden, New Year's resolution list should include Obamacare sign-up. Vice President Joseph R. Biden filled in for President Obama this week for the White House's weekly radio address, touting Obamacare in an effort to convince customers to sign up for health insurance just weeks before the enrollment deadline. I know this is the time of year when we make resolutions to take care of our health, whether it's joining a gym or eating healthier. But there's one thing you can do right now that will also make a big difference in your health. That is getting quality, affordable health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, Mr. Biden said. Everyone is beginning to realize what millions of you already know. The Affordable Care Act is working. And we're just getting started because there are millions more of you who can get quality and affordable health insurance if you sign up before February 15th of this year. The healthcare-focused weekly address comes just after the employer healthcare mandate took effect on the New Year's Day. Companies with more than 100 full-time workers must offer affordable health insurance to at least 70% of their staff or face a hefty penalty tax. The employer mandate was supposed to take effect in 2014, but the Obama administration delayed it until this year. The fine for companies that do not comply with the mandate is $174 a month times the number of full-time employees minus 80 workers. If a company offers insurance that is not considered affordable or comprehensive, then the employer must pay $261 a month for each employee who received subsidized coverage on an individual exchange. Death of Tanisha Anderson, mentally ill woman in police custody, ruled a homicide. The death of Tanisha Anderson, the Cleveland woman who died in police custody late last year, had been ruled a homicide. According to the Northeast Ohio Media Group, the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner's Office announced its assessment on Friday, saying that the woman died as a result of being physically restrained in a prone position by Cleveland police. Anderson suffered from heart disease and mental illness. The medical examiner's office said those conditions were also factors in her death. Anderson died in November following an encounter with Cleveland police. The woman's family had reportedly called the cops for help after the 37-year-old began having a mental health episode. When the police arrived, the family is said to have agreed to let them take Anderson to a hospital to undergo a psychiatric evaluation. Police have said that Anderson began to struggle with officers who were attempting to escort her to a police car before she suddenly and inexplicably became limp. The woman's family, however, told Northeast Ohio Media Group that an officer performed a takedown move on Anderson, roughly wrestling with the woman before putting his knee on her back as she lay prone on the ground. According to Friday's medical examiner's office report, Anderson suffered a sudden death associated with physical restraint. In the months since her death, Anderson has become a symbol in the ongoing conversation about police brutality in America, sparked last year by the deaths of Michael Brown, Eric Garner, and others. On Friday, Anderson's family released a statement demanding justice for Tanisha, a thorough criminal investigation, and an independent prosecutor that results in accountability by the police officers and the Cleveland Police Department. Just last month, the Justice Department released a report accusing the Cleveland police of using excessive or unnecessary force at a significant rate. The report, the result of a 2-year investigation, added that officers were also found to have used excessive force on those who are mentally ill or in crisis. According to the Associated Press, the Cleveland Police Department has said in a statement that it is conducting an investigation into Anderson's death. 2 officers involved have reportedly been placed on restricted duty. Those were the latest news brought to you from the American Studies Institute from Tehran. You can also check our website at www.asipress.us. Thanks for watching.